Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Chana Mahmoud. My vlog is all about food vlog. Gagawa ho tayo ng cucumber pickled. So, very simple guys. All we have ingredients, you can see it, fresh cucumber, salt, water. Yun lang yung ingredients natin guys. So now we're going to chop the cucumber, not thick, not thin. Yung tamang size lang. Ayan. Kikita nyo in the video that I'm chopping the cucumber. Hindi siya makapal at hindi din siya manipis. So I'm using the jar plastic guys. Hindi ako gumamit nung glass jar kasi nag-i-stain kasi yon sa gilid, so I prefer plastic. Dito guys, punuin natin yung jar ng cucumber. Dapat wala siyang space para marinate ng maayos yung cucumber pickled natin. Now, nagka-cut pa rin tayo sa cucumber. Ayan. So if guys, a quick, easy, and delicious cucumber pickles recipe. If you know how to make the best homemade cucumber pickle guys, for sure magugustuhan nyo to every meal you have. So try this out, and so amazing and mabilis lang siyang gawin. Done to cut the cucumber, we have vinegar, water, and salt, then 1 tablespoon, and of course our main ingredients. So we're going to have the 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well. Ayan. So i-mix lang natin siya ng maayos guys, and after that, to pour that one in the cucumber, spread it all, and let's put a vinegar, half cup of the vinegar, same time, i-post din natin yung vinegar sa cucumber. Spread it out then, like the water and the salt mix. Ayan, so another water, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of salt. So guys, this procedure, repeating lang siya, and mix it well again. yung jar, ganun din kadami ang water and a tablespoon of salt ilalagay nyo doon sa cucumber hanggang sa ma-level yung water on the top. We are going to compress the cucumber down. Make sure that there's no space in the jar. So if there's a space, just add cucumber. Then that's it. Then kulang pa rin yung water, so we need to add half cup of water and half cup of tablespoon of salt. And that's it. We need to pour it up in the top. Our cucumber pickle is done. Then all we need to do is to cover it tightly. We have the plastic. Okay, we have the plastic on the top, so no air para marinig talaga siya ng maayos, guys. Ayan, so I'm using the plastic and the cover. Airtight jar siya, guys, so it's very nice. Before I will cover the cucumber pickle, here's the outcome of all. Ayan, nagdagdag ako ng konting cucumber para wala siyang space. Then, you can see, it's very quick. So, madali lang talaga siya, guys, gawin. So, ayan guys. Make sure lang talaga guys, make sure that you cover tightly and if you're using a jar, choose a airtight jar. Ayan. So, that's it. It's very fast, very quick. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, there's no space down. Kino-compress ko na yan siya, guys. Ayan. Punong-puno siya ng cucumber. There's no space. Then, that's what we have. Ready to marinate. And we will wait for 3 days. 3 days only, guys, for me. Pwede na siyang kainin within 3 days. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Try this recipe and it's so amazing and tasty. Once you make your own homemade cucumber pickles, you'll never buy in the store again. So after 3 days, these are my cucumber. That's my homemade cucumber pickles. Here is it, ready to eat. 3 days lang siya, guys. Leave it in a room temperature. Then, after 3 days, pwede nyo na siyang kainin. Napubulol na ako. Ayan. So, ayan guys, ang sarap. Asim sarap. Ayan. So, masarap siya, guys. Promise. And try this out. Homemade recipe cucumber pickle. Hope you enjoy watching my video and please try my homemade cucumber pickle. Thank you for watching and God bless us all. Bye!